Extropic AI, pioneering a new era in AI acceleration. Introduction. Extropic AI, a startup founded in 2022 by former members of Alphabet's X division Guillaume Verdon and Trevor McCourt, is at the forefront of creating a new paradigm in artificial intelligence. With a primary focus on developing an innovative AI accelerator chip that utilizes thermodynamic fluctuations, Extropic aims to revolutionize probabilistic computing, particularly through energy-based models (EBMs). Their groundbreaking technology promises to be significantly more efficient than traditional computing methods, heralding a new era in AI processing capabilities. Company overview. The inception of Extropic AI took place in 2022, driven by the vision of its founders to harness the principles of thermodynamics in computing. Guillaume Verdon, who previously led the TensorFlow Quantum Initiative at Google, and Trevor McCourt, an expert in mechanical engineering and hardware development, combined their extensive backgrounds in physics and AI to create a team that is uniquely equipped to tackle the challenges of modern computational demands. Their expertise in quantum technologies and AI provides a solid foundation for the company's ambitious goals. Funding and milestones. In March 2024, Extropic AI marked a significant milestone with the release of its Litepaper outlining its vision and technological approach. This was accompanied by the announcement of a successful seed funding round in which the company raised $14.1 million. The funding round was led by Kindred Ventures, with notable participation from prominent figures in the tech industry, including Aidan Gomez Cohere and Balaji Srinivasan Coinbase. This injection of capital is expected to propel Extropic's research and development efforts, allowing the company to move forward with its innovative AI chip technology. Technological innovations. At the core of Extropic AI's mission is the development of a new type of AI accelerator chip that operates fundamentally differently from conventional GPUs and TPUs. Traditional computing architectures often strive to minimize entropy, whereas Extropic's approach embraces and utilizes thermodynamic fluctuations as a resource. This innovative perspective aims to enhance the scalability and efficiency of generative AI, addressing the growing demand for powerful computational resources. The proposed AI accelerator chip is projected to be 3 to 4 orders of magnitude more efficient than current technologies. This remarkable efficiency is crucial, especially considering the increasing energy demands associated with contemporary AI applications. By leveraging the laws of thermodynamics, Extropic seeks to create a system that not only performs at an unprecedented level but does so with minimal energy consumption. The vision for the future. Extropic AI envisions a future where its technology seamlessly integrates generative AI with physical processes. This integration is designed to harness the laws of thermodynamics to create a computational environment that is not only more efficient but also capable of self-organization and adaptation. The ultimate goal is to achieve a supercomputer that is deeply intertwined with the natural world, enabling a new level of performance in AI applications while reducing the ecological footprint associated with energy-intensive computing. Team and expertise. The founding team of Extropic AI is composed of highly skilled individuals with diverse backgrounds in physics, engineering, and AI. Guillaume Verdon and Trevor McCourt lead the team, supported by experts like Christopher Chamberlain, a recognized architect in quantum computing. The collective experience of the team, which includes stints at Google, AWS, and various top academic institutions, positions Extropic to pioneer a unified approach to physics-based AI. Investment and community support. Extropic AI's seed funding has attracted a diverse array of investors, reflecting the community's excitement about the potential of the company's technology. Investors include venture capital firms such as Buckley Ventures, HOF Capital, Julian Capital, and several angel investors from the tech industry. This broad base of support underscores the belief in Extropic's vision and the potential impact of its innovations on the future of computing. Conclusion. Extropic AI stands at the intersection of artificial intelligence and thermodynamics, poised to redefine how we think about computation. With its innovative AI accelerator chip, the company is set to make significant strides in efficiency and performance, meeting the demands of an increasingly AI-driven world. As Extropic continues to develop its technology and expand its reach, it promises to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of computational technology, making generative AI more accessible and environmentally sustainable. The journey of Extropic AI is just beginning, and its impact will undoubtedly be felt across various industries as it pushes the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of AI. Extropic AI is a startup founded in 2022 by former Alphabet X members Guillaume Verdon and Trevor McCourt. In March 2024, it released its Litepaper and secured $14.1 million in seed funding. The company is developing a new type of AI accelerator chip based on thermodynamic fluctuations, primarily designed for probabilistic computing such as energy-based models (EBM). The chip is claimed to be 3 to 4 orders of magnitude more efficient than traditional GPUs/TPUs and extremely energy efficient. Counterintuitive information identified. 1. Harnessing natural entropy. The concept of utilizing thermodynamic fluctuations in entropy in computing may seem counterintuitive. Traditional computing paradigms aim to minimize noise and entropy to achieve stability and reliability. In contrast, Extropic AI proposes a model where entropy is not just tolerated but actively leveraged as an asset. This reimagining of entropy's role challenges conventional wisdom in computer science and physics. 2. Probabilistic computing over deterministic models. Extropic AI's focus on probabilistic computing, particularly through energy-based models, represents a shift away from deterministic algorithms that have dominated traditional AI development. Many in the tech community might view deterministic systems as more reliable. However, Extropic's approach suggests that harnessing uncertainty can lead to more scalable and efficient AI solutions. 3. Efficiency claims. The assertion that their AI accelerator chip is 3 to 4 orders of magnitude more efficient than traditional GPUs and TPUs is a bold claim that raises skepticism. Typically, advancements in computational efficiency are incremental rather than exponential. If true, it could fundamentally disrupt existing markets and technologies, which is often met with skepticism until proven. For self-organizing systems, the idea that a computer could self-program and learn representations of the world autonomously challenges the traditional view of programming, which relies on explicit coding and instructions. This notion of self-organization in machines draws parallels to biological processes and could redefine our understanding of intelligence, both artificial and natural. 5. Interdisciplinary team shift. The founders and their team have shifted from quantum computing to a model that does not rely on the complexities and challenges of quantum mechanics. This pivot could be seen as a retreat from cutting-edge technology, however, it may also represent a more pragmatic approach to achieving scalable and practical computing solutions. 6. Investment dynamics. The wide array of investors backing Extropic AI, including prominent figures from various sectors, highlights a growing cross-industry interest in the intersection of physics and AI. This diverse investment base suggests a recognition of the potential beyond traditional tech investors, which could be seen as a departure from typical funding patterns in the tech industry. 7. Philosophical implications. Some sources emphasize the philosophical aspects of merging generative AI with thermodynamics, suggesting a deeper inquiry into the nature of computation and existence. This could be counterintuitive for a tech-focused audience that typically prioritizes practical applications over theoretical discussions. 8. Redefining the concept of a computer. Extropic AI's vision of a computer that harmonizes with the laws of thermodynamics and self-organizes challenges the traditional definition of computing machines. This radical redefinition could provoke resistance from conventional thinkers who may struggle to accept a new paradigm that departs from established norms. In conclusion, Extropic AI's approach and technological ambitions present several counterintuitive concepts that challenge established norms in computing, thermodynamics, and AI development. By leveraging entropy, focusing on probabilistic computing, and redefining the essence of a computer, the company positions itself at the forefront of a potentially transformative shift in how we understand and utilize computational power. In examining the report on Extropic AI, several key aspects are likely to be overlooked by many readers, yet these elements hold significant implications for the future of AI and technology. Here are the important content areas that deserve more attention. 1. Thermodynamic fluctuations as a foundation for AI processing. Extropic AI's focus on thermodynamic fluctuations for AI computation is a groundbreaking shift from traditional methods. Most readers may not fully grasp the significance of this approach. The idea of harmonizing computation with natural entropy rather than suppressing it represents a fundamental rethinking of what computation can be. This perspective could lead to innovative architectures that not only enhance performance but also drastically reduce energy consumption. Significance: energy efficiency, as the world grapples with energy sustainability. An architecture that utilizes thermodynamic principles could pave the way for more energy-efficient computing systems. Scalability: the ability to leverage natural phenomena might enable scalable solutions to complex problems in generative AI where massive computational power is typically required. 2. The vision for merging generative AI with physical processes. Extropic AI envisions a future where its technology seamlessly integrates generative AI with physical processes. This conceptual blending of the digital and physical worlds is a profound insight that may be overlooked. Many discussions around AI focus on purely algorithmic advancements, but Extropic's vision suggests a more holistic approach. Significance: real-world applications. This integration could lead to applications that directly impact real-world systems, from healthcare to environmental monitoring, where AI models can interact with and influence physical systems. Redefining AI's role, by positioning AI as an entity that interacts with the physical world. It challenges current paradigms of how we perceive and utilize AI technology. 3. The founder's background in quantum computing. The report highlights the founders' backgrounds in quantum computing, which could be a significant factor in their innovative approach. While their experiences mentioned, the broader implications of this background are often overlooked. Their shift from quantum computing to a new paradigm could signify a recognition of the practical limitations of quantum technologies at this stage. Significance: interdisciplinary expertise. The founder's expertise illustrates the importance of interdisciplinary knowledge in driving innovation. This is a lesson for future startups and researchers. Blending insights from various fields can lead to groundbreaking advancements. Market opportunity: their departure from the quantum computing field might indicate a growing realization that practical applications need alternative solutions, opening up new markets and opportunities. 4. Investment landscape and support. The seed funding of $14.1 million is a notable achievement. Yet the diversity and caliber of the investors may not receive adequate attention. The participation of high-profile figures from the tech industry signals a collective belief in Extropic's vision, which can be a powerful driver for future success. Significance: validation of concept. Having reputable investors can be seen as a validation of their business model and technology, which can attract further investments and partnerships. Influence on the industry. The involvement of prominent figures indicates a potential shift in investment trends towards companies that integrate advanced physics with AI, potentially influencing the direction of future technological advancements. 5. Philosophical implications of the technology. The philosophical underpinnings of Extropic's approach, redefining computation to align with natural laws, are profound. While many reports focus on the technical aspects, the broader implications of this philosophy for society and technology are often neglected. Significance: ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve, The philosophical stance of merging it with natural processes raises questions about the ethical use of technology, responsibility, and the relationship between humanity and its creations. Long-term impact. This vision could inspire a new generation of technologies that prioritize ecological and societal harmony, thus influencing future research and development priorities. Conclusion. The insights provided by Extropic AI go beyond mere technological advancements. They reflect a paradigm shift in how we understand and interact with computation AI and the physical world. Recognizing the significance of these overlooked aspects can lead to a deeper appreciation of the potential transformations that could arise from their work. As the landscape of AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial for stakeholders across industries to engage with these ideas to harness the full potential of such innovations. The content provided about Extropic AI highlights several valuable points that warrant in-depth analysis and discussion. The four most significant points are: 1. Technological paradigm shift in computing. Extropic AI's approach to computing represents a potential paradigm shift by leveraging thermodynamic principles rather than traditional methods that suppress entropy. This innovative perspective could revolutionize the field of AI and computation by enhancing performance and efficiency. The implications of this shift are profound, as it suggests that future computational systems could operate more naturally and efficiently, aligning with the laws of physics rather than forcing them into existing frameworks. This approach could lead to significant advancements in generative AI, improving scalability and reducing energy consumption, which is critical as demand for computational power continues to grow. 2. Founders' expertise and background. The expertise of Extropic AI's founders Guillaume Verdon and Trevor McCourt plays a crucial role in the company's potential success. Their backgrounds in quantum computing and AI, particularly their experience at Alphabet's X division, provide a strong foundation for developing groundbreaking technologies. Analyzing their previous work and contributions to the field can offer insights into how their unique perspectives and skills can influence the development of Extropic's products and the broader landscape of AI and computational technologies. The combination of physics and AI expertise positions them well to explore uncharted territories in computing. 3. Significance of seed funding and investment. The seed funding of $14.1 million secured by Extropic AI is a critical milestone that will enable the company to advance its technological initiatives. The diverse range of investors, including notable figures from the tech industry, underscores the confidence in Extropic's vision and potential impact on the market. Discussing the implications of this funding, including how it might be allocated towards research and development, talent acquisition, and scaling operations, can provide a clearer picture of the company's trajectory. Furthermore, the involvement of influential investors can facilitate networking and partnerships, which are essential for startup growth. For future vision and integration of AI with physical processes. Extropic AI's vision of integrating generative AI with physical processes through its thermodynamic computing paradigm raises intriguing questions about the future of AI and its applications. This vision not only aims for higher efficiency but also suggests a foundational shift in how AI systems could interact with the physical world. Analyzing the potential applications of this technology, such as in robotics, materials science, and energy systems, can reveal the far-reaching consequences of their work. Furthermore, the ethical and philosophical implications of such advancements, particularly in terms of how they align with or diverge from traditional computational paradigms, merit discussion. In summary, Extropic AI represents a forward-thinking initiative that intertwines advanced computing principles with a strong emphasis on sustainability and efficiency. Understanding the technological innovations, the expertise of its founders, the implications of its funding, and its ambitious vision for the future will be essential for grasping the potential impact of this startup on the AI landscape. 1. The development of the transistor. 1947, the invention of the transistor by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Labs marked a revolutionary change in electronics. Similar to the introduction of Extropic AI's new AI accelerator chip, The transistor enabled significant advancements in computing efficiency and performance. It paved the way for modern computing by allowing for smaller, more efficient, and more reliable electronic devices. The transistor's impact on technology and society was monumental, leading to the development of virtually all modern electronics, including computers, smartphones, and other digital devices. 2. The launch of the Internet 1969. The creation of ARPANET, the precursor to the modern Internet, represented a transformative moment in communication and information sharing. Like Extropic AI's vision of merging generative AI with physical processes, the Internet fundamentally changed how people interact and access information by establishing a new paradigm of connectivity. It allowed for the rapid dissemination of knowledge and has since evolved to support diverse applications, including AI, which represents a similar shift in computational capabilities and societal impacts as Extropic AI's technology aims to achieve. 3. The introduction of the personal computer. 1970s. The emergence of personal computers led by companies such as Apple and IBM revolutionized how individuals accessed and utilized technology. Just as Extropic AI is striving for a new computing paradigm that enhances AI capabilities, personal computers democratized computing power, making it accessible to the general public. This shift not only transformed workplaces but also created new industries and job opportunities, similar to how advancements in AI technology are expected to reshape economies and industries worldwide. Future outlook for Extropic AI, predictions and implications. Extropic AI is positioned to significantly impact the landscape of artificial intelligence and computing through its innovative AI accelerator chip. By leveraging thermodynamic fluctuations for probabilistic computing, especially in energy-based models (EBM), the company is not only challenging the norms of traditional computing but also setting the stage for a new era in AI capabilities. Here are several predictions for the future of Extropic AI and its technologies. 1. Revolutionizing computing efficiency. Extropic AI's chip promises to be 3 to 4 orders of magnitude more efficient than current GPUs and TPUs. As the demand for computational power continues to increase, especially with the rise of generative AI applications, this efficiency could lead to a paradigm shift where energy consumption in data centers is drastically reduced. This will not only lower operational costs but also minimize the environmental impact of computing, aligning with global sustainability goals. 2. Acceleration of generative AI development. With the efficiency gains from its technology, Extropic AI could significantly accelerate the development and deployment of generative AI systems. This capability will enable organizations to create more complex models and applications, potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields such as healthcare, creative industries, and autonomous systems. As a result, we may see a proliferation of AI applications that were previously limited by computational costs and energy constraints. 3. Integration with quantum computing. Given the backgrounds of its founders in quantum technologies, Extropic AI may explore synergies between its thermodynamic computing paradigm and quantum computing. This integration could lead to hybrid systems that harness the strengths of both approaches, unlocking new possibilities in computational tasks that require both speed and efficiency. As quantum computing matures, Extropic AI could position itself as a leader in this convergence. 4. Emergence of new AI models. The focus on probabilistic computing could signal the emergence of new AI models that better mimic human-like reasoning and decision-making processes. Energy-based models have the potential to capture complex dependencies in data, leading to more robust AI systems. This shift could enhance the capabilities of AI in understanding and interacting with the physical world, fostering advancements in robotics, natural language processing, and cognitive computing. 5. Disruption of traditional AI hardware market. As Extropic AI's technology matures, it could disrupt the existing market dominated by traditional hardware manufacturers. The superior efficiency and performance of its chips may attract major clients across industries, from tech giants to research institutions. This disruption could incentivize competitors to innovate and improve their offerings, ultimately benefiting the entire AI ecosystem. 6. Increased investment in energy-efficient technologies. As the world grapples with climate change and energy shortages, Extropic AI's emphasis on energy-efficient computing will likely attract further investment and interest. This trend may encourage other startups and established companies to prioritize sustainability in their technology development, leading to a broader movement towards green computing solutions. 7. Ethical and philosophical considerations. The integration of generative AI with thermodynamics raises ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of computation and intelligence. As Extropic AI pushes the boundaries of what it means to compute, discussions around the implications of such technologies on society, privacy, and the nature of creativity will become increasingly relevant. The company may find itself at the forefront of these debates, influencing policy and regulatory frameworks. 8. Long-term impact on society. In the long run, the advancements spearheaded by Extropic AI could lead to significant societal transformations. As AI becomes more integrated into everyday processes and decision-making, it could enhance productivity, improve quality of life, and create new jobs in AI-related fields. However, it may also require society to adapt to changes in the workforce and address potential inequalities arising from technological disparities. 9. Global collaborations and partnerships. Extropic AI may seek collaborations with academic institutions, research labs, and industry leaders to further its mission. By forming strategic partnerships, the company could leverage diverse expertise and resources to accelerate its development timelines and enhance the applicability of its technology across various sectors. 10. Pathway to commercialization. As Extropic AI progresses, the pathway to commercialization of its technology will be crucial. Successful deployment of its chips in real-world applications will not only validate its technology but also establish a revenue stream that could fuel further research and development. The company's ability to navigate market demands and adapt its offerings will be key to its long-term success. Conclusion. Extropic AI has the potential to reshape the future of artificial intelligence and computing through its innovative approach to hardware design and energy efficiency. With predictions ranging from revolutionizing computational efficiency to ethical considerations surrounding AI, the implications of its technology will be profound. As the company continues to develop its vision, it will be essential to monitor both its technological advancements and the broader societal impacts of its innovations. The journey ahead is not just about creating a superior chip, but about redefining the very essence of computation in the age of AI.